Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. We are en route to the Ice Hotel or the Hotel de Glace in Quebec, just close to Quebec City. But first stop, we have to stop in Montreal. So we are here at the Hilton Garden Inn. This is the Midtown Hilton Garden Inn, and it is one of the most beautiful garden inns that I have ever seen. So I'm going to show you around here. We have a family room which has 2 queen beds and a pull-out couch, and it is pretty big. It also comes with a kitchen. So let's take a look around this room. I'll show you around the hotel while we are here as well. It looks like we are just here for one night. This is just a stopover stay for us, but I thought I'd share it with you anyway in case you also needed a stopover stay. All right, we made it. Wow. It's a cute little store. Look at the stairs. This is the nicest Hilton Garden Inn I've ever seen. So there's your check-in over there on the right. And then it looks like a little lobby. Breakfast is down here through the elevators. 6:30 to 9:30 continental breakfast. There's a lobby up here. And it looks like a restaurant. Okay, first looks at the Hilton Garden Inn. So when you first walk in the door, you've got your little kitchenette over here. And it's got a dishwasher and a little 2-burner stove. Top there. Wow, it comes with all your silverware that you might need. A wine bottle opener over there. I'm sure that comes in handy for a lot of people. Some dishware. They've got a garbage under there, as well as some dish soap. They've got a Hamilton Beach, but it looks like it takes Keurig pods. So we did bring some of those with us. Well, that's amazing. A little ice bucket there. Let's see what's up in the cupboard. We've got plates. It looks like enough for 4 people. And glassware and mugs. Toaster up there. Nothing in that one. There's a microwave.
Stove is very modern looking.
We found Liam here in the kitchen. They've got an ice cube tray up there. No ice cubes yet, but I guess you can make them for yourself. You've got a water jug in your fridge, so amazing stuff. We are here on a Wednesday night, so it was under $300. However, I say that it is their March break right now, so I think it's a little bit more expensive than it may be on a regular Wednesday night. Here's our living room right here. We've got the pull-out couch right here, and then across from the 2 queen beds. We've got a TV. Nice and big there. There's your picture on the wall. Let's get some lights on in here. Woo! Let's see what's going on. Just nice, big, deep drawers. All of them. Very nice. All right, and then we've got our 2 queen beds.
I can test them.
Yeah, give us a test. It looks like it's pretty firm. Very, very tight sheets.
Comfy.
Yeah, it's pretty squishy.
I would give it like a 9 out of 10. It's pretty good.
9 out of 10.
Yeah.
I don't know what rating system we're going off of here, but a lot of them seem to be 9 out of 10. I mean, it is a Hilton, so. And here's
Hilton has some good beds.
Here's what we're overlooking tonight. So we'll get a look at this in the morning as well, but it looks like something up on that hill over there. I'll have to look into what we are looking at here. Check-in was really easy. The front desk was lovely. Some of the nicest people we have talked to so far at a front desk. But let's continue our room tour here. So we've got the washroom. They've got the sink outside of the washroom, which is amazing when you have families here because you can have people brushing their teeth, washing their hands, doing their thing over here while everybody else is either in the room or in the shower, using the toilet, whatever they got to do. So there we go, body lotion up there. It looks like we've got Neutrogena, a bar of Neutrogena soap. There's your nice big mirror. We've got some.
Whoa, oh my god.
Yeah.
It's bright.
So you can see yourself really well. And then down there you've got your towels and your, looks like your hair dryer. Yes, in that bag. And a nice closet. I really like the layout of this room. It is so much different than what you normally see. And up there you've got pillows, blankets, extra stuff. Probably for the pull-out couch. Got the luggage rack there. And then down here, a safe. Pretty standard size. And an ironing board and iron. Moving into the bathroom. I like their doors. They're also unique. Can you guys see that?
Yeah, I see it.
They're just different, a little bit different. So this is a pretty big bathroom. There's the toilet there on the right. There's a little shelf above so you can have an extra roll of toilet paper up there. And then we've got our shower. And it looks like there's 0 products. Conditioner, shampoo, shower gel, little shelf in there. And just a regular old shower head, but it looks pretty new. Now the woman down at the check-in said it's about a 3.5-year-old hotel, and I said this is the nicest Hilton Garden Inn I've ever been to, and they both kind of laughed and said thanks. There you have it. I'm gonna take my coat off now and we'll go wander around the rest of the hotel. We're gonna go grab a bite to eat. We haven't eaten yet. It is about 8:30 at night, and tomorrow we are off to the Ice Hotel, so I'll probably get that video up on Sunday. I think that's when I'm gonna have time to edit it and get it out, so stay tuned for that. We are all extremely excited about that. So in the meantime, let's go grab some dinner. So there's the restaurant attached over there, but we're gonna head out here. Woo! The weather! We're walking right beside the major highway, I think. This is where our hotel is. Right by these streets here.
It's gonna be a hard time sleeping tonight.
No, we're tucked away. We're not gonna have any problem. So I think we're heading to some place called Dunn's. I believe is what it's called. And they had like deli meats, as well as chicken fingers, fries, all of the things. And poutine. I've got one that was looking for real Montreal Quebec poutine. So let's go do this. Okay, you guys, we found it. It's literally a 5-minute walk down the street. It looks like it's going to be a busy, crazy, no sidewalk kind of walk, but they had a sidewalk, so let's go see what this place has to offer. There's also a sushi place here. Done since 1927. I like it already. Looks really cool. And it's open late. And they are big on cheesecake. Ooh, dangerous. Smells good in here. Very cool. All right, there's the story behind it. We've got starters.
Great story.
I think we're gonna go with cheese sticks to start. Very high end. We've got the cheese and gravy fries here. All the different kinds.
Cheese and gravy fries.
The cheese and gravy fries. Salads and soups. This is the perfect place for us. It really is. And then all the smoked meat. Yes, they have fries on the menu. So they're when you look them up online, they're all about their deli sandwiches. So I think that's probably what most people get. But they've got all the things. It's a very big menu. hot dog there with the fries. Looks like a pickle and some onions on the side. Coleslaw. That's a really good looking hot dog. Oh my goodness. What is that, Aiden? What is that?
Meat.
But what kind of meat?
I don't know.
Okay. So we got 2 poutines over here. Poutine? Poutine. You guys can tell me. That's the original. That is covered in meat. I got the honey mustard salad, and that looks amazing. She said this is her favorite salad, so I'm gonna enjoy that. Okay, we just finished up dinner in Dunn's, and I think it was like the perfect place for us to go. It was fantastic. Portions were huge. The food was really good. Everybody had something that they enjoyed, and she recommended the salad to me, and I thought it was fantastic. There was chicken and avocado and tomatoes and just walnuts and honey mustard dressing. It was called the honey mustard salad, and that was the perfect thing. It was just so full of all of these different flavors, all of these different things. It was delicious. So anyways, great spot, especially if you are staying at this Hilton here. We're just gonna walk back. It's about 5 minutes, and then I'll see if I can find the pool and all of that stuff in the Hilton to give you guys an overview of that, and then we're gonna call it a night. So let's go do that. You can see the gym from the outside. It's on the main floor. Looks out into the roadway. It looks like there's some girls in there working out. Hi, you guys. Did you guys notice back there is the health club? Did you see that? Does anybody... Oh, what's on the stairs? A private event. It's a very cool staircase. Look at these funky chairs.
I sat on this one right here and the one in front of me.
Excuse me, this is where the buffet is going to be in the morning. So some tables on until 9:30 a.m. Ooh, here we go. The toilets. Just over here on the left. There's how you get to the fitness club.
Let's go check it out.
Let's go check it out. Oh wow, it's very warm.
Yeah.
Well, this is nice. So there's some tables in here, pool towels. They've got the rules in both English and French. They've got some chairs over here so you can lounge while you watch. Some nice big windows. Yeah, that's pretty nice. There's the stairs to get in. It's too late though. Oh yes, it is closed. Yes, it is 10:30 p.m. So we're gonna go head on upstairs, get ready for bed. No, you can access it with your key code. And they've got some lockers out here. That's a really nice weight room. The girls are still in there, so we're not gonna go in, but it's pretty nice. Okay, heading on up, back up to the room. All right, you guys, that concludes this hotel here, the Hilton Garden Inn or the Hilton Homewood Suites. Tomorrow we are at the Ice Hotel, so that's going to be a really exciting day. I'm going to try to get that video out. Once it is out, I will link it here for you guys so you can all see it. That's going to be the most exciting part of our trip, I think, and we're all extremely excited about it. So with that being said, we are off. I need to go have a shower and get ready for tomorrow. But we will see you guys all in the morning. So thanks everybody for coming along. See you in the next video.